What's up, YouTube? It's Chris with Murphy Firearms Training. I am out here doing some testing with a .308 Winchester, and a thought crossed my mind. Wonder what a .308 will do to a bowling pin. So a scout parent of mine was kind enough to bring me some old bowling pins. They're pretty beat up, but they're too beat up to use for bowling, but still fun to shoot. So I've got this guy here. I've got it set up at about 50 yards. I am going to shoot right for that Q triangle there, right in the middle. Going to set the camera up on a tripod so you can see what happens when I hit it. Well, the bowling pin went from the front of that table to way back there. Let's go see. This is that Speer Gold Dot Law Enforcement .308. I was aiming here, went to the right. Most of my shots with that ammo did go to the right, so I should have known that, but that's fine. Still in the meat of the bowling pin. Little tiny hole. You can barely tell it was shot. Come over here to the back, and look what you get. Looks like you get an exit hole, and it looks like, if I look at the right angle, sorry guys, I hit the wrong button on the camera, so I brought this up on the table so I can get to it better. I went ahead and cut that little plastic flap off. There's definitely some wood in there, and if you look, it really does look like this thing blew all the way through. So y'all, bowling pins are real tough. That's pretty impressive. I actually expected a bigger exit hole though, the way that thing expanded, so that's interesting. You never know when you shoot different media what these guns are going to do. So, but there it is. So entrance wound, tiny little entrance wound, and then blew out the back and kept on going. So a .308 will blow right through a bowling pin. At least the Speer Law Enforcement will. So there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.